Here's the answer. So here's the provided code for main dish. It has an init method and a stir method. What we want to do with Appetizer is almost the same thing. So let's start by cut and pasting that code. So here's the code from the main dish init. We'll cut and paste that into the Appetizer. And now we need to account for one little difference, which instead of having sides, the Appetizer has a number of people that it serves. We also need to implement the stir method. For the main dish, we're printing out the name, a star if it's vegetarian or not, the description if it has one, and the price. And you'll notice I'm using conditional expressions here, which is something you might not have seen before. We haven't introduced it yet in this class. This is similar to an if statement, except in this case, it's an expression. That means it produces a value, so we can use it in an assignment, in this case, giving a value to a default parameter. And what it means is if the value of the if test is true, the value of the expression is what we put before the if. Otherwise, it's what we put after the else. So in this case, we'll get the star if self.vegetarian is true. Otherwise, we'll get nothing. This is what we did to implement stir for the main dish. For the stir function, we want to do exactly the same thing for Appetizer as we did for main dish. So we can cut and paste this code.